Hello everyone. This is a mini laser. Daja dj6. Today we are going to engrave the subscribe button. Using this thin plywood. Let's start by opening the Engraver app. We select pictures and choose the image we wish to engrave. Just tap the black and white mode for engraving. Then connect to the machine via Bluetooth. Once connected, we adjust the size of the image that would fit into the sample plywood. Then we adjust the laser power and laser speed. In here, we are going to use 50% laser power and 60% laser speed. Finally, just tap start and wait for file transfer. Remember to always protect your eyes by wearing eye protection when using laser machine. I use black and white images. And don't use images with transparent background. Let's fast forward the engraving. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to complete this engraving. There you have it. My subscribe button. The engraved image is clear, clean and perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.